Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today I thought we'd have a quick look at much and many. For example, generally speaking, use much with things that you can't count and use many with things that you can count. For example, how much money? You don't say 2 monies, 3 monies. Money is uncountable. How much money? Not a lot. Pens. You can count pens. How many pens? 1, 2, 3. Many with countable, much with uncountable. Yeah, how much money? How much snow? How many tables? What do you think on these? What about cats? How many? How many cats? What about petrol? Much petrol. How much petrol? You don't have 2 petrols. Advice. You can't count advice. You don't have 2 advices, 3 advices. So it's how much advice. Sugar. How much sugar? Films. How many films? Good. English grammar, much and many, easy peasy. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.